We got tricks only. Let's play for more tricks on with this. Let's take some good g5, g4. Where can I see the stream schedule? Usually I put it out on Twitter. That's where I put out the stream schedule. Good g4. So yeah, a lot of the Valorant guys I know they play chess. Like the League guys, I think occasionally play chess for fun, but the Valorant guys like actually play it in kind of a serious way. Is my read. Like Sub Rose, I think he played it in school. Hayes, I think also played quite a bit, and I could never be good at these games because even if it's strategy, like I can have the right strat, but I don't have the reflexes. Like I just don't. So I could get the strat. Like I'm sure, like if I really wanted to dig into the games, I could get the strats down and understand it, but that still doesn't make up for having terrible aim. That's that. I mean, that's the thing. Like even if I understood strategy perfectly, like my aim is garbage, so I still could never be very good. Let's make a chess tournament Valorant versus League players, but the Valorant guys are much better, is what I'm saying. Like they don't just play it casually. Like Sub Rosa, I think Sub Rosa had a rating like 1,000 or 1,100 on online. So like there's a big difference. I think the other guys are like 500, 600. You just described all of gold rank. Okay, yeah. Okay, he resigns. All right, let me stop the clock. All right, guys, I'm gonna take a short break. I'm gonna run to the restroom, and I will be right back. We'll do a couple more.